Hi, this is David Black. I'm a criminal defense lawyer in Arizona, located in Phoenix. Today I'm going to talk about Arizona Revised Statute 13911. The 911 has nothing to do with, emergency numbers. It's just randomly picked. But what that is that's Arizona's new sealing of criminal records statute. For as long as I was practicing law, clients who were getting convicted of a misdemeanor or felony via plea, via trial, or maybe somebody else's client calling me for a consultation would complain and say, is there anything I can do to seal my record? And what I would say to them is, yes, if you were wrongfully arrested and you can prove that yourself, then you can get a letter of clearance and seal your record. Or you can get what's called a set-aside, and that's under ARS 13905. And you can have your conviction set aside, but it's still going to show up. And so these people would say, and I was with them, well, that seems unfair. Does it drop off after 7 years? And the answer was no. There is no time at which your misdemeanor shoplift from college is going to drop off your record. You're going to be answering questions about this in 15 years or 20 years. And it was kind of tragic. And as the rest of the country was turning and getting a little bit more progressive with criminal law, Arizona was staying behind. Well, thank goodness. Since January 1st of 2023, Arizona passed a sealing statute. And what that means is that if you meet certain criteria, you can actually have your record sealed. You can have the court record sealed, the police record sealed. It doesn't mean that nobody can find it. Police could still find it. Prosecutors could still use it against you in the future. But employers aren't going to see it. It's a pretty easy process. So there are some offenses that are serious enough and some people that are basically have enough means where they really should just hire a lawyer, let the lawyer do it the right way. And obviously that's what we do for a living. But there are also free ways to do it. And so you can go to the county website, and I haven't been there recently, but I'm fairly certain that there's set aside and sealing paperwork on the county website that you could do for felonies. And I think similarly for Phoenix Municipal Court and some of the other courts around town. This is definitely something I would do. I recommended set-asides before they had the sealing, even though that was barely impactful on somebody's record. But now that we can wipe the slate clean, I would definitely recommend you look into it. If you have any questions, you can call our firm. We're always happy to consult. We don't charge to consult. And so you're welcome to call us. And otherwise, I appreciate your time today. Thanks.